Really excited about getting hair back. It's something I've noticed over the years. I'm extremely excited. When I have a picture taken, I don't realize how much I've lost. I think it's how the light hits you or whatever, and you see yourself in a picture and you're just disappointed in how you look and a little embarrassed, I guess. I'm looking forward to being able to look more like I did earlier on. I travel a lot and go in front of a lot of people. It's always on my mind. I don't know what it is. I find myself not looking people in the eye, kind of self-conscious, and I want to fix that. And after the consultation, the amount of time that was spent with me and the personal involvement, it was a no-brainer. To me, it's more about my self-confidence. It's meeting new people, doing new things, being active. Probably the biggest reason that I chose hair grafting was to get the most hair and to look the most natural. It's been just a wonderful journey. I was very surprised at how quickly it began to grow in. Lots of compliments from everybody, and here we are a year later. Very excited, very happy. The day of the surgery was a little bit interesting. I was excited and a little nervous. I think excitement probably sums it up the most. I'd been prepared so well and had seen so many videos, pictures, and talked to so many people. The day of the surgery came and went. It was really enjoyable, but all the attention I got, and it was much easier than I thought. When I look in the mirror, I find myself amazed at the change. I believe the first signs of really noticeable hair growth were fairly soon. One of the things I had no idea was how dense it would be, how it would actually look. Would it look like the hair on the rest of the parts of my head, or would people be able to tell? I could tell right away how full it was going to be, how close together everything was. I was surprised at how quickly it progressed. There was an instance where I was actually traveling and I met up with one of my salespeople. Right after the procedure, he was one of the first people that I saw. So after 6 months, I met up with him in Baltimore, and ironically, I had lost my hairbrush. So we were going out to dinner, and I said, I need to stop in a store and grab a hairbrush. So when we got back in the car, he made the comment. He said, you know, you have hair now, and that's incredible. So he said, I didn't want to say anything, but I can't believe the difference. Probably the best advice I could give to anybody that's considering this is give it a try. I've found a new confidence in myself, and I'd say overall it was a great choice, one of the best choices I've ever made.